We have to assemble. Excavator. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. We did it! Dig up a basin ditch. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's wash. Excavator. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag, that's all. We need to assemble. Bulldozer. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Keep it up. Make a platform for an arbor. Let's remove the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing!